Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Real Destruction. I'm gonna change the challenge to challenge because I had a idea of doing pump only challenge. How many of you guys like that? But I was testing it out and it was super rare to find that pump. I do not know why. I cannot find any pump. I cannot even find the gray pump. And now I'm gonna do pump and pistols only. At least pistols you find more common. Like, I might upload the other video for you guys to see how many times I found the revolver compared to how many times I found the shotgun. If you guys want to see that, put a like. I'll do it if I get 5 likes this video. Bro, the pump is demolishes thing. Oh no, I've never won, bro. I've never won. I've only won twice. And I was like, in the beginning when everybody was noobs. I'm on the top, my dude. Take a picture. Clap. Okay, that's it, chief. It's enough. Pump and pistol only challenge. I'm not even kidding. Bite. I'm not gonna be as camp. Like, not only revolvers, it could be the P2F, I think that's what it's called. It only has P and F in it. I think that's 2 Fs, I don't know. You know what I noticed? In PUBG and in Fortnite, you get around like 93, 97 players in the game. Create Destruction, you always get in a 100-player lobby. There's sometimes that you get like 97. But that's the range. You see a revolver already, I think. Pump. I was talking about how rare the pump is, and I get the best tier of pump also. There's a chance I could get a purple DTR. Every moment I change the challenge, bro. No, that's not the That's not the gun I could use. Gate. Can't use it again. Okay. Okay, so at least I have something to defend myself, and I have a pistol. All I need is a DTR and a revolver for long distance, and I'm actually good. And it's first game too. It's first game. There's a chance I could get a purple DTR. And those chances are slim. ¿Qué? Yo no tengo WhatsApp.
¿Cómo que si tienes nada?
Sí, no.
Ese no ahora me dice que no puedo usarlo.
No, tú hiciste tu update. ¿Tú hiciste el update?
No, ¿qué es eso?
¿Tú sabes qué un update es?
No.
Es cuando como... Ok, pregunta a mami, yo no sé cómo decir update en español.
Porque me dice, inicia la sesión de registro. ¿Ves? Yo antes no, yo estaba con ustedes.
Yo creo que tú necesitas hacer una nueva.
¿Por qué? Porque ya no se lo viejo.
No sé. No, porque no sirve. No sé por qué. Maybe por accidente tú saliste de tu...
Tiene un nombre de usuario que dice R17, RBR, eso me lo hizo mía. Pero entonces no tengo
¿Tú sabes el nombre de tu último
la
snap?
contraseña, no me la sé.
¿Tú no te acuerdas? ¿Qué tú crees que puede ser como tu cumpleaños?
No, yo no pongo mi cumpleaños.
Okay. I was at my grandma or something. Now, okay, finally. I was talking about getting this. I was just about to start talking. Because medkits are trash. I was just... Okay, they're literally hot garbage. You could have bandages and they'll bring up to 100 and you still have leftovers. Compared to the medkit, and you'll waste it and you'll go automatically to 100 and you'll waste time. At least this, not much a waste of time. It's a quick little heal up. Oh my god, it's a quick little heal up. You don't have to waste 6 seconds. You must give me the loot. Give me the loot. And I literally got the dream right now. Bro, look at this. There's no way, bro. Look at this, my dudes. I got everything. This is the game. First game is the only game. I have to leave. I have to leave. Abort, 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 abort. I wish, like, I could customize. I wish we could edit and, like, what customize? What I was gonna say? What was I gonna say? Like, what was I gonna say? I don't remember. If I remember, I'll say it. Oh yeah. Like, it sounds pretty dumb, but like, I wish you could, like, if you own, I don't own it, but like, if you own the exclusive battle pass and you get the gold ones, I could be able to customize the skins. Like, there's some that are purple and like the whole suit's purple, but it looks better like if it was green or like red, whichever color you want. You think it looks good in, because like you're paying for it. That'll be amazing.
Entonces, eso mía, esto lo hicieron con la otra cuenta, porque ni mi cuenta de email, ni mi contraseña esta.
Trata con tu Facebook. Trata con tu Facebook, a ver.
Pero si es Snapchat.
Sí, pero tú...
Snapchat no tiene que ver con Facebook.
Sí, pero tú puedes hacer un Snapchat account con Facebook. No creo.
Ah, no, yo no sé.
Okay. Let's probably do that. Bro, my grandma like allowed that over Snapchat. I don't even know how, bro. The problem about these two guns is like one has distance. There's like no damage from distance. Like there's one that if you even try from distance, you automatically lose. This guy's AR compared. Pop. It's an AR compared to some revolver. Some pretty bad revolver. I have healed my brother. This is a typical loadout. I always have these two meds from now on. I'll never really much hold a medkit because bandages bring up to 100 in this game. It would be more clutch to hold it if it was only up to 75, but it's bad for me, the player, because like it's not what I want. I don't want it to only be up to 75. I want it to go a long way. I want to be able to heal up my bandages and not waste my inventory space. And to not already have a challenge choosing if I want to drop a gun for meds. And then that gun would have got me a kill. No, I don't want that to happen. Okay, I'm going to heal up right here. Okay, only needed one. I thought I was going to need two. A golden one? Jesus Christ, golden trash can. Or whatever that is. These people must be cheap. I mean, not cheap. Rich if you live in and you have a golden trash can. Got him. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. I wish double pump was in this game. The nearest thing to double pump is the DTR. They could shoot 2 bullets at once and then you have to wait. Like, see? It's the nearest thing. But it's like doing the same thing as doing this. Like, this is better though. It's harder to do though. Because you're not going to really have a chance to switch your guns. It's going to be pretty hard. And my god, my grandma causing the worst time. Most likely it's gonna be a part 2. I need to get the dub. In my streams I got dubs. So if you guys wanna see actual dubs in the videos or streams in case. Let's look at my streams. Got him. You know, this guy. Go through there. Stop. What was he doing? Technically, he rubbed out his pickaxe. Because it's like a pick. Oh, wait. Don't have to even waste my bandages. But I wasted it anyways. Like a light. Like a light. Let me pick up this. Look at this. Wait. Where'd it go? Where'd the one shield go? The one extra shield? Huh? Boy, no control. Oh, I'm looking. I'm gonna have to heal up a little bit. I'm gonna have to heal up. No way, bro. No shields, no anything. Why would it be shields? Right? This guy picked up the shields, I think. This guy picked up the shields. That's why. Okay. 2 shields left, I think so. Yes. And that's just gonna be perfect. Perfect. About to enter the storm too. Jesus Christ. Couldn't be any better than that. This couldn't be any better than that. Bro, and now I have the dream loadout, yeah, but like, my luck, bro. What's my luck? If I use it, 1 shield left, gets in fight, loses fight. If there's no shields up there, I swear to God, I'm gonna lose this game. Usually it's 4. Because there's some that they give you 4. Come on. Ammo. Shields? Not even 1 shield. Why would there be shields, right? I'm gonna abort. Right. I'm gonna go through here. Because there should be a chest there. Typically there's a chest. I can't believe I only dropped 3 kills. Today I've been dropping like 10 kills and 9 kills per game. And every time I get the victory, I only have 9 kills and then the last guy dies in the storm. And it gets me so mad because I could be getting... No. Mate. Can you do this? It's the only good thing there's mats and the bandages. And I don't even need bandages. So, not actually pretty close. Lack of using guns, actually. Imagine there's nobody here and everybody's in springtime. Imagine there's some like leftover chest. Somebody's here. Oh, finally. Someone. Oh my god, bro. Can you actually let me go? Forget shields. 4 shields, I think. Or maybe 2. 1. That's better than nothing. I'm gonna have shields. And I know where bandages are. Yeah. This house looks like nobody looted it. Imagine if there's the middle one still clean. No, it isn't, but. Because after I saw that UMP, I was like, oof. And I have this new skin for the UMP too. Take some white. Oh yeah, I'll be right back. And part 2. See you guys.